So in the previous video, we saw how we can import different packages, multiple packages in different ways in Go. In this video, we'll see how we can compile a Go program. So this is our Go program. Now we will compile and we'll create a single executable standalone file, and which can be run in any environment where Go is not installed. So let's say if I want to create if I want to compile and build an executable of this program, so we'll do go build main.go. If I run this, so you can see one file got created with the name main. Now if I run run main.go, so it was printing hello world. Now if I want to run the executable, the compiled file, you can see I'm not giving any go command here. It's just the file. If I run this, so it will do the exact same thing. So this is a very convenient feature, very easy to build a compiled file. This is a standalone file. We can just maybe if we want to run our this program or some program that we want to run in our servers, so we don't have to install Go and install all the packages and everything and then execute it. That's not required. We'll just build this executable. We'll build our program into this file and we'll just put this file on the server. That's it, and it will work exactly the same. Now the thing is, when we ran go build main.go, so it built this executable for macOS. So now if you move this, because I am working on the macOS at the moment, so if you're working on any other machine, so go build main.go will compile the file for you for the current architecture that you are on. So if we want it to if you want to build it for some other operating system, let's say that you're working on macOS but you want to run your executable on a Debian server, so of course this is not going to work. So in that case, what we have to do is we'll just delete it, and in that case we have to give the operating system, we have to give the environment variable when we run the build command. So over here we'll say go OS as Linux, and then with space we'll say go architecture will be AMD64, and now we will run go build main.go. So now sorry, it was Linux. I wrote it has to be Linux. Now over here you can see that before running go build main.go, we are giving two environment variables, and now when we run this, now this will create this main.go, which will work fine in our Debian server, but it will not work fine for the macOS. So this Go provides us the feature to build binaries or build the executable files for different operating system, for different architecture.